He's only doing one side. He's like, most of our courses are only left hand, so he's gonna do this side.
I thought you were gonna do that. You don't do that side right in a second. I don't like that. You don't have to get up. I'll go over there. They take like.
No, he's just taking his wheel off. Oh, yes.
Don't touch me till I can get my satisfaction. 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 Satisfaction.
Push me and then just hurt me till I can get my satisfaction. 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 Satisfaction.
So we loosen that up. Get it off the outer tie rod. I'm going to take this off, pull this out, disconnect this from the steering rack, and at that point I can kind of add the new ones in and put this back over it. I don't have any light under here. Oh, dude. My phone here.
You reusing that thing?
Probably.
Try not to rip it too. It's on a. It's gonna be on a little. Yeah, there you go. Perfect. Keep coming. Okay, just watch your head because I'm gonna move over here. That is what we're trying to get to. This guy.
So I need
So now you're gonna put a wrench on that.
the pliers.
I'm gonna take that off.
Maybe. Today, Junior?
What?
I lost a little spacer. No, it fell back there.
Oh,
It's right here. Double spacer.
dude! Come on!
Wrong. So, can we delete both of those? This is the new one. They're extended threads and they come with a spacer, so that way I'm not running any extra stress to these threads. And it's also going to give me that little bit of extra angle that's going to help me, increase my driving skill and whatnot.
So we're reusing the boot on this one. No, that's not gonna work, bro.
Yeah, I'm going to take this off. Did I mention this is my first time doing tie rod?
Whatever, dude. You've done like 20 cars already.
Wrong.
Wrong.
But do you think this means that maybe you ought to think about getting some new shit?
It's loosey-goosey on this one, dude. Got a pencil dick tie rod now. It got no girth, dude. Yeah, no, these I've read a bunch of good reviews on these, so. Remind me what the name of these are though again?
P2M.
P2M. So, if anyone's curious and wants to do this to their 350Z or G35, it's the P2M. They're like $67 on FR Sport. You know, considerably to stock tie rods, which I think I paid like 45, 50 bucks for last time I had them changed. It's a super good and cheap mod to do with your car.
Phase 2 motor trim.
Crap, walk.
Whoa!
I don't even understand how to put my car walk.
Right as now. Like this. Like this.
Let's put a little bit of Loctite on here.
Just a little bit.
And just make sure you apply it all the way around.
Are they smaller? Is it smaller than the stock?
No.
It's not? Sure it's tight. Don't strip that. I guess while we were doing this, you should have re-greased your rack. But it's okay. I mean, I've got grease. Is it extended all the way out? I mean, your rack? Like, as far as it can go?
No, it looks pretty straight to me right now.
Your rack.
Oh, my
No,
rack?
your steering rack,
rack,
dude.
steering rack.
Does it have grease on that and little ridges? Huh?
A little bit, not much.
Yeah, here. Let's re-grease that while we're in there. Find my grease, make sure I still have it first. Get in there real good though too. It's okay to have excess.
No, he's going to RV fucking junior high. For a month, it's like $300 a month. You get Wi-Fi. It's like.
Well, yeah, I lived in a camp.
I might need to cut the zip tie off.
In RV,
Yes, you
yeah,
will.
in RV
Somehow.
but
It's pretty tight on
obviously the
there.
price is
For your chassis. FRS, sign on.
I was trying to cut it with it still on the boot, so I just took the zip tie off the boot.
Stupid.
And now I need another zip tie.
We got to put on the outer first, though.
Did I put the outer on first before I put a zip tie? So we've got them on. What we're gonna do now is I'm gonna stick the wheels on there. That way we can kind of see. I get an alignment tomorrow, so it's not a huge deal. But I also want to kind of fix my toe in right now in the moment, just kind of visually as possible without a machine. That way I can drive home and not have to worry about destroying my tire. That is quite a bit.
Ready?
Holy. For what it was?
Yeah.
I guess not.
You're maxed. You're
That's still
maxed.
max.